watch a video thing. I just really don't know how to explain it in a way. So I'm just going to find a body. I'll explain it later. So the first thing I really need to do is like find a body shape. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm just gonna choose one. I'm gonna choose this one. Wee! Make it bigger. Woo! Oh, a bit too big actually. This is not Attack on Titan. We don't need them to be that big. I'm just gonna assume they'd be bigger though. Probably, definitely. Now I'm going to choose something that they are gonna wear, because why not? So yeah. No. No, definitely not doing that. Alright. So do it. La 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 la. Rap pa rap pa pa rap pa 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 rap 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 pa 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 pa. Sorry. I can't find anything. I want to pick that, but I don't. Sorry. What? I can't find anything. No! I'm so sad. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I can't find anything. You know what? I'm not gonna choose this one then. I want to choose. Where is it? Where is it at? This one is the only one I really choose. Not Attack on Titan. I mean, Attack on Titan. This is not Attack on Titan. I'm so stupid. Oh gosh. Okay. Now where is it at? Okay. There we go. I'm not using that one today. There we go. There's what I was gonna use. Okay. You know what? No. I want to look at my stickers. Where are the eyes? Okay. Oh gosh. I wanted to use a certain one. I saw the way I did. There it is. Okay. Now, hair. The hair. Okay. There we go. Or should I say, here we go. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm sorry. I think I want to do this one. This one. Okay. It's time for the eyes. I think I want to go with these actually. Because okay, I think that actually looks good. It's like a goth nerd person. Gosh. Okay. And I have a name I want to call her. Hopefully I know how to. Oh, apparently. Nope. I think that's how you spell Monique. So. Monique. I'm just gonna. And continue editing. Thank you guys for watching. And I will try and make more. So you guys can watch and see how good I do. I think I can do better though. So thank you for watching. Bye.